I'm Larry O'Brien. I'm a senior facilitator and leadership coach with Bluepoint Leadership Development. What about the Bluepoint philosophy resonates with me? Well, many years ago, I attended a Bluepoint workshop called Leader as Coach. What I loved about that workshop is that it was truly an experience. It was immersive. I was able to bring some of my challenges and practice them in a safe environment. And I met people for the first time who worked in other organizations. And because of the environment and the work that we did together, we remain friends to this day, and we still challenge each other and even coach each other on a regular basis. And when I think about Bluepoint and their philosophy, two words come to mind: authenticity and trust. Those are the foundation, and you can't have one without the other. And then all the other leadership skills that you gather along the way, those can be attached to your authenticity and trust because that's the foundation. So we really like to focus on those two aspects in all of our programs. And just to close out our story here, when I attended that workshop 15 years ago, I said at that moment, one day, somehow, I'll work with Bluepoint Leadership Development. And I'm so proud and honored to be working with them for the last 10 years.